we need to build them another one.
You know, make something makeshift. This is 18 inches.
That's probably about the same height as your toe bin, right?
Well, that's what we'll make it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Guys, I think the plan is we're just gonna stick this on this, like this, and just chicken wire in between it.
Stuck in my brain. Stuck in my brain. Stuck in my brain. Stuck in my brain, yeah.
Is this the last part?
We're getting close.
We've got the whole thing caged up. And I've been going through trimming these little edges off so the chickens don't get poked.
Yeah.
But yeah, just like trimming edges and we're about done, I think.
The final product with the chickens in it. There's so much more room. They're very happy to keep flying around. In case that was confusing, our chickens had been living in a tote bin since we brought them home from the store, and they were just too big. There were too many of them. So this was meant to be like a little transitional housing until they can go out in their real coop. It was still too cold for them to be able to be out there. So this isn't where they're going to stay forever. This is just the next stepping stone.